Stop wasting money before it's too late. Hey, this could be you, living paycheck to paycheck, wondering where your money went again this month, telling yourself, I'll start saving next week, but next week never comes. You work hard, but somehow your bank account never reflects that. And deep down, you're tired of feeling stuck, tired of making excuses, tired of watching others move ahead while you're spinning in the same place. Let me tell you about Jay. Jay had a decent job. It paid okay. He wasn't rich, but he wasn't broke, or so he thought. Every morning, Jay bought a £7 coffee. He upgraded his phone every year. He ate out 4 nights a week. He told himself, it's just a little treat. I work hard. I deserve this. But every month ended the same. He was broke, no savings, no emergency fund. And when his car broke down, he had to put £2,000 on a high-interest credit card. Just like that, he was deeper in debt. One unexpected bill, and everything crumbled. Sound familiar? You see, Jay's story isn't rare. In fact, it might be your story. And that's why we need to talk about the habits silently keeping you broke. Impulse buying, subscriptions you forgot about, eating out instead of meal prepping, buying things for status, not necessity. These are small choices that add up to a big problem. You don't have to admit it out loud, but be honest with yourself. Have you ever told yourself, it's only £10, while swiping your card without thinking? We all have. You're not alone. This isn't about guilt or shame. This is about breaking the cycle together. Because here's the truth, you're not just losing money, you're losing opportunities. Every pound wasted is a pound you could have saved, invested or used to start something that changes your life. Let me break it down. If you're spending £10 a day on snacks, drinks and quick buys, that's £300 a month. That's £3,600 a year. Now multiply that by 5 years. You're losing tens of thousands of pounds to short-term comforts, money that could have built your future. And no, this isn't about depriving yourself. It's about choosing long-term peace over short-term satisfaction. It's about asking yourself, do I want another random meal out, or to finally stop stressing over money? It starts with one thing, awareness. Track every pound. Use an app or just write it in a notebook. When you actually see where your money is going, it changes everything. It's eye-opening. And sometimes it's painful, but it's necessary. Then comes intention. Set spending limits. Create a fun budget so you don't feel restricted. Cancel subscriptions you haven't used in months. Start cooking at home more. Say no to things that don't align with your goals. One of the best tips I can give you, print out a picture of your goal. Whether it's a trip you've always dreamed of, becoming debt-free, or buying your first home, put it where you can see it every day. Make it real. Let it remind you why you're doing this. And please don't aim for perfection. Aim for consistency. You'll mess up. We all do. But the key is to keep going. Don't quit. Let's do this together. Share your favorite money-saving tip in the comments. Let's build a community of people supporting each other, a place where we talk honestly about money, learn from each other, and grow together. Now, I want you to close your eyes for a second. Picture yourself 1 year from now. You've paid off your credit cards. You've built a savings account. You're investing. You're not scared of unexpected bills anymore. You sleep better. You breathe easier. You feel proud. That version of you? It exists. You just have to choose it. But if you don't change anything today, next year will look just like this one. Still broke, still stressed, still saying, I'll start next month. Don't let that be your story. Let's write a new one. If you're ready to change your habits, build real wealth, and finally take control of your money, hit that subscribe button. Join our Broke Escape Plan community. We're not here to judge, we're here to build, to lift each other up, to get rich together, not just in money, but in freedom, peace, and purpose. And in the comments, tell us, what's one money habit you're changing starting today? We're rooting for you, always.